Right, I'm trying to guess what the tail feathers are like on this bird, and I think I'll go for that. In the drawing, the catalogue picture, it's not very clear because it's slightly different way they've carved it, so this is a little bit different. So I'm assuming they're about the same level. I did draw it a bit longer but it didn't look right, so I need to piece a bit in on the back. The back piece actually had the grain on it vertically, but I'm doing it horizontal when I replace it because it's just going to be stronger, and it doesn't really matter. This bit's a bit of a problem because the grain's vertical on that one, and it's just going to be the same as this, so it will be a little bit fragile. I'll draw up how long it should be, and by measuring this one and see where it ends up. So you can see they are quite different there, but they do look quite long and they overlap each other quite a lot. And I think that's the shape I'm going for. I measured from the front of that wing to the tip, it's about 6 inches, and the front of that wing to the tip is about the same. So they're roughly right, I think. There's not much else I can measure from. That part of the feather there is different here. I don't know whether it's there or there, and then it just doesn't measure up right anyway. So the nearest thing I can do is measure from that point. And they seem about right, I think. So this piece will be glued on there and then recarved. This one wasn't easy to do, and here the grain's running vertically, and there's no way, I don't think, that I can get it to run horizontally and get a good join. So I've cut a little piece. I'm going to cut as much as I can off it, and then just glue it on, and then carve it and hope it don't fall off. That seems to be glued on quite well. Whether it stays on or not, I don't know, because the grain. That went better than expected, but I'm not out of the woods yet because I've still got this one to do, and that will hamper me a little bit when I'm carving this bit. Now I've glued this second one on, so fingers crossed this doesn't come off either. You just have to take light cuts, because if you go too heavy, chances are you'll break it off. So I've managed to get that other one done without it breaking off. So all the centre bit's done really, apart from gluing this egg back in and turning another one, but that's fairly straightforward. The main problem now is this bird on the left. So the tail of this bird is missing. I've measured the other one and it's 3.5 inches from the beak to the tip of the tail, so it's going to come out that far. The grain's all running vertically on this bit, so it's running that way, which is why it's been broken off. There's nothing to protect it there, it just sticks out. The other one's got a load of leaves around it which sort of protects it, but this one hasn't. So I've got to decide how I'm going to glue that on and recarve it. I've whittled as much as I can off this blank before I glue it on, and I've got a little 3mm dowel which will strengthen it a little bit. So that'll be glued on like that, and I've got the tail flicking up a little bit because I think that's how it would have been, and it'll make it a little bit stronger. You don't really want it sticking out too much because the grain's running that way, and it's just sticks out too much otherwise. This bit seems to be glued on alright, and I'm not sure whether it should flick up or not. If it did, I reckon it'd be a bit lower down, a bit further back. So I'm not so sure. What I might do is just that line there, make that the tip of the tail, remove a bulk of this, see what it's like. I can always go it down to straight down there and having that as the tail tip. That's as far as I can go, which is fairly straight then, so I'll get away with it I think, and then just remove what I have to underneath once I'm happy with the top. Just soften the edges a little bit. that's the majority of it done, the main parts, the big bits that were broken and misaligned. I've still got the egg to turn and put the other one back.